So tell me, why should an enterprise focus on usability early?
Okay. Companies need to focus on enterprise usability really early on in the process, because trying to identify adoption late in the game is really difficult and very costly to organizations. So when we apply our usability practices early on in the implementation process, we really gain their acceptance and adoption, in which case the training in the back end is very efficient for them, it's very intuitive for them, and this is really what saves companies tens of millions of dollars annually each year.
So what elements of usability does Excellis specialize in?
Well, we really specialize in driving adoption, as mentioned early on. So we provide to them screenshots, comps, clickable workflows, and wireframes that really help these guys vet out core essential processes, making sure that really what's in the user's mind's eye, that we can really hit the mark with them, versus trying to provide them really what was essentially an organized process that was developed either from a couple business people or IT folks that really didn't have, it wasn't really ingrained in the proper workflow of the day-to-day user.
And at this trade show, CRM 2012, what are some of the trends you're hearing from people who come by asking about usability? What are some of the things you're hearing most commonly at this trade show?
That's a great question. A lot of the key trends of people looking to drive usability, think about usability as making things look nice or look pretty. And so much more involved into having really kind of a great looking screen. As I mentioned a couple of times already, it needs to work well for those essential users. So their whole idea is, how do we really get in front of those key people, get that continual feedback loop so they can really develop and evolve better looking key processes, leveraging SAP through a good looking UI.
Great.